some fat. Mix it, knead it, let rest over.
So this recipe is called perfectly easy dinner rolls. So we're going to add in a bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of warm water. To that, we're going to add 2 packages of dry yeast, and we're going to let this set for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to stir in a 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, teaspoon of salt. Get that stirred in. I'm letting the melted butter cool down a little bit because we're going to add that as well to this. Don't want to kill our yeast. So now we're going to add our 1/2 cup of melted butter to this. Stir that in. So now we're going to add about 4 to 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to stir it in 1 cup at a time. I'm going to put a cup in, and then we're going to beat that in. Because you got to do it 1 cup at a time. So we're going to beat that in. We want to add at least 4 cups to 4.5 cups of flour and beat that in until it is too stiff to beat. So that is what I'm doing. So if I was going to work up this dough, I'm working it up half of it, only half of it. I would put it out, pour it out into a floured board, which I'm going to do that after I divide the dough in half, because I'm going to only work half of the dough. And then I'm going to pour it onto a floured board, and then I'll show you the next step. So now I'm going to cover this, and we're going to put this in the fridge for at least 2 hours or up to 4 days. So that's what I'm doing. So now I got the dough in a 12 different pieces. We're going to roll it into a ball. And then place it in our grease pan over here. So I'm going to roll all 12 of these pieces and put them in my very old pan. So now we're going to cover these rolls up and let them rise for about an hour until they're double. Now we bake these rolls for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown.